Miter saw zero clearance fence pattern in under 5 minutes. Let's see how it works. Today I'm going to make a zero clearance fence for the Festool Kapex miter saw. Whatever miter saw you have though, you can follow the exact same steps. Rather than making the actual fence, I'm going to make a template or a pattern to use my router to make the final fence. And in doing so, I'm going to be able to make fences in the future very quickly. And now I'm just going to scribe the actual fence. I'm going to make this as one piece. When I make the first cut with miter saw, it will cut right through the blade. I went ahead and located the slots for the screws, but I'm going to get the exact measurement to find the center of these. Pattern is laid out and cut the length. Now I'm going to rip it. Miter saw zero clearance fence pattern in under 5 minutes. Let's see how it works. I do so much routing in the Smart Woodshop and pattern routing that I have multiple routers, and I keep this one's plunge set up with a 1/4 inch bit and the proper bushing. "15 minutes to make a sacrificial fence for the Kapex." But it really doesn't matter what saw you have. It'll be the same process either way. Make a pattern, use the pattern to cut it out. While I was at it, I went ahead and made a second one. So this one I have a total investment of about 3 minutes in it. And I'll throw this in the Smart Woodshop. When this one gets worn out, I have another one ready to go. Next, I plan on making a zero clearance insert for the bed. That'll be a separate video. If you enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, take a millisecond right now while you're watching this to click on that thumbs up down there. It really supports the channel. It's really painless and it doesn't cost you anything. If you want to get a set of plans, detailed plans to build yourself a smart station, a smart bench, any of the accessories that work with the smart system, or the Smart Woodshop itself, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Mahalo.